Welcome back to Instant Learner. The Times Higher Education World University Ranking for 2023 has been released. The World University Ranking for 2023 include 1,799 universities from 104 countries across the world, making it the largest and most diverse the World University Ranking ever. World University Ranking uses 13 performance indicators to measure an institution's performance across four areas: teaching, research, knowledge transfer, and international outlook. Oxford University has topped the World University Ranking for the seventh consecutive years. The United States is the most represented country in top 10 of the 2023 ranking with 7 institutions. With 177 universities, the United States is also the most represented country in 2023 ranking. So let's take a closer look at the top 10 universities on the World University Ranking 2023. At number 10 we have Imperial College London, which is located in United Kingdom. At number 9, Yale University, which is located in United States. At number 8, University of California, which is located in United States. At number 7 we have Princeton University, which is located in United States. At number 6 we have California Institute of Technology, which is also located in United States. Number 5, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which is also located in United States. At number 4, Stanford University, which is also in United States. At number 3 we have University of Cambridge, which is in United Kingdom. And the second from the top is Harvard University, which is also located in United States. And at the top of the list, University of Oxford, which is located in United Kingdom. For now, that is enough, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and share this video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.